New York, New York. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. It is Vlogmas day 14 and it is snowing. Don't mind the rings. I remember in high school this used to be a thing. This is crazy. Good thing I brought my jacket. Look at this view. This is beautiful. Look, don't let that car come down on me, baby. This is not gonna stop me from getting my coffee. God knew what he was doing when he told me to buy these platform boots. I can't feel a thing. Clean shoes to dirty shoes. So it's a little slushy, little slush. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but you got to shovel up the snow when it's in front of your property. Whether you are an owner or a renter, shovel up that snow. I'm about to put this scarf on my face. I'm going inside. This is crazy. I still gotta go. Yes, on this beautiful Sunday. Well, I always get a cappuccino from here because they're so good and they make it with love. But this is the first time I had food, so I got an avocado toast. It was very tasty. Not the best avocado toast, but again, they make everything with love. Now it's time to go back in the snow and then get back inside. So I had all the intentions of doing something today. Snow came, no problem. We're having a snow in day and I'm just gonna do one activity today. I am excited. So this is my husband's car, well, truck rather, and I'm going to take some snow off of it. All right, so I'm gonna show you the before and the after, because let me tell you, I am not going to be able to show you during. Okay, so I just spent the last 10 minutes cleaning out this vehicle. You saw the before. This is the after. All I did was use this umbrella. And I said, let me just do this real quick because I'm all about making your partner feel great, even if they don't deserve it. Because Lord knows I don't always deserve kindness and mercy, but he gives it to me and God gives it to me. Let's just go back inside. By the way, I also got him a sweet treat, so he's gonna really appreciate that. He like these little cakes, not to put his business out there. He need to go to the gym with me. Now let me stop. Okay. This is not no relationship vlog, all right? Don't expect that. All seriousness, you don't want the snow to build up into ice, so you do kind of want to take some stuff off, even if it's not a whole bunch, okay? So I told myself, since I can't really do anything outside, why not go bowling? So I'm gonna just show you guys a couple of my skills. I ain't doing too much, but you know, your girl is a competitor at heart. So look at the form. I saw some professional bowlers on the other side of the lane. I took a couple of tips and then now I'm doing this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching this video. Now, just enjoy this bowling.
Come on, brighter days appear when it's time clear. And now you will be the light to your guide.
No, it's fine. That's okay.
Depression, me stay strong. Now give in to frustration. At the cream of the cup of frustration. Try again.
She looks so beautiful. Yeah. Ooh, what in the world? Oh, she planned that. Let's go, coach.
Now me never cause failure. Brighter days appear when it's time clear. And now you will be the
That's fine. It's okay. Don't worry. This is the one. She's not competitive. Real. Oh! How is she doing this? Good job.
So me ask God to protect me head in the streets at night. And all of me enemies, yes, Father God.
Okay. Oh, yes! Bro, I knew Coach was gonna be the best one. Oh, yeah. This is crazy. Woo! And in boots too is crazy. Dress. And in a dress. Yeah.